Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Chauhan, Assistant Professor in CSE Department at RPIIT Bastada, Karnal. So today in this video we will discuss about the role of system analyst in structured system analysis and design. So in this video, first of all, we will learn about the what is system. So system means an organized relationship among functioning units or components. In simple words, we can say that a system is a group of components that are tied to accomplish a task and to achieve a common goal. For example, a computer system that we use in our daily life. So next is system analyst. Here we will discuss about the system analyst and some roles of the system analyst in structured system analysis and design. So a system analyst researches problems, plans solutions, recommends softwares and systems, at least at the functional level, and coordinate development of to meet the business and the other requirements. Simply, we can say that the system analyst is the person who guides the design, analysis, and as well as the implementation of the software system. So, system analyst is an individual who select and configure the computer system for an organization or business. This means that the analyst must understand the general objectives of the business. So, a system analyst design new IT solutions, new ideas to improve business efficiency and productivity. The system analyst must have a solid understanding of computer hardware and the software and should keep up to date on all the latest technologies, must also be willing to listen to the constant needs and complaints of the user he builds system for. Here, I want to discuss some roles of system analyst. The system analyst define the user requirements, and system analyst also prioritize the requirements. It helps in problem analysis, designs, and drawing specifications, and the system analyst handle the overall design and the evaluation of the system. And also the system analyst helps in keeping up to date with technological advancement. So in this diagram you can see here the system analyst communicating all the levels and all the technical and physical department of the business and organization. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे जो सिस्टम एनालिस्ट है वो हर किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, हर एक डिपार्टमेंट के साथ उसका कम्युनिकेशन है, जैसे कि मैनेजर के साथ, एक्सटर्नल कंपनीज़ के साथ भी लिंक है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे सिस्टम स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ, यूज़र के साथ भी कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, यूज़र से फीडबैक ले रहा है कि सिस्टम में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है, उसको कैसे मैनिपुलेट करना है। वेंडर्स और सप्लायर्स के साथ भी यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है, टेक्निकल जो स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं उनके साथ भी, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर्स के साथ भी यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेट हो रहा है। तो ओवरऑल सिस्टम की जो एनालिसिस है, डिज़ाइनिंग है और रिक्वायरमेंट है, उन सबको कौन हैंडल करता है? सिस्टम एनालिस्ट। थैंक यू।